So what's on this old camera? So I have a collection of old SD cards and old cameras that I used to record on like since I was about 15, 16. Damn, I was like pretty young back then. And recently I've just been like digging out old stuff, and I happened to like came across this bad boy. And now finally I'm choosing to post out all these old tapes that did not made it to YouTube. I didn't know why I did not post, but yeah, stay tuned if you like to watch old footage of me with the shaky cam and going on holidays. Yeah.
Say hello. You have to go, you have to jump. He's pulling back. Yeah. Oh, bagus. Wah, not bad lah bang. Oh. You can maneuver, just like No, don't bail out, don't bail. He's a pro. He's using snakes only. But still can continue. Yeah. Go down again, go down again. Oh.
twisted. I think I'm wearing the... Can you use that machine gun or something? Yeah, my hand is like twisted. Oh. I'll use another one.
partially. Hanging on top.
Mostly, I brought you a hand. Go. Yeah. Take your time, take your time. Jump higher. Yeah, go, go, go. That's it. You did it. Next one.
Next one.
Take your time when you're jumping. Go. Take your time.
Oh.
Go. You can do it, come on. You just have to be fast before you start rolling.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
It's not difficult.
It's
right?
not too.
It's just scary before you start.
Yeah.
Come on, faster. The second round we're gonna do the race. Now we go here.
Rosak barang-barang ni semua.
I'll do it, okay? I have my skill level. I can only do like maybe until here and then game over. So you guys have to choose whatever better for you. I go for this one. Yeah, here we go. He's so strong.
All the way, all the way.
Woo! I
Yeah.
cannot do more than that.
You must practice more. Every day you must practice.
No, I don't want to get. See, I already have a lot of muscle.
Already
I don't
muscle.
want more, yeah.
Too many muscle.
No, yeah. Go, go, go. Try this one.
Good. Three more, three more.
You know what you should try?
Yeah, I should try.
Come here. You're gonna make it. You will make it. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You ready?
You can
I
reach.
will throw it to him, yeah. You ready?
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this is like the circus, right?
Yeah. You ready?
Abang.
3, 2, 1. I'm sorry. Let's go to the next one.
Go, go, go. Follow her.
Okay.
It's a rock climbing.
Oh my god, I don't see any green.
You can do it. You can do it. Yes, yes. Hold on. One more. Okay.
I have to repeat.
You need more training lah.
I don't like this. I want something instant parkour.
Oh, okay.
The track to go up. Second option, run all the way up. The third one, run halfway and go to the small one. It's
Oh.
up to you.
The rope, the high one or the low one? The rope.
Yeah, it's up to you. Alright, I did same.
Okay.
Watch out!
Oh.
Shoes, his shoes, horrible.
No, no, no.
He did it.
This one is a tight rope lah. Oh, you do it.
I did
Nice.
it! Tell me you can do it.
Right.
Done.
Adik, go. Yeah, this is the Spider-Man. This is the small Spider-Man.
Mom, go up there. I can do it, so you should be able to do it as well. First of all, you have to jump higher.
Jump higher, jump higher.
Yeah. And use your elbows to go up there. No, you bend your knees first. Let me show you.
Okay. Okay. That was one jump.
Don't bend your knees. Look up. Don't look up. Yeah, go.
Woo! Adik, your turn. Come on, let's do it. Let's jump like a spider.
Don't do the spider thing. No, let me try. No, go elbow.
Harder, no, you must jump first. Jump, jump, jump. Jump harder. Jump harder. Higher, higher, higher. That's Spidey. That's a Spidey at work. Yes. Okay, good. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, abang. Backflip.
Don't do that. Just jump down.
Just jump. Not backflip. Just.
So cute, right? I got it from Nepal. What?
Nepal. Nepal. Oh, you went Nepal. Oh.
No, I'm not Nepal. I'm French.
Yeah, I know you went.
Yeah.
Ah. That's. Yeah, I heard about it. Like so beautiful.
Nature, I think.
Nature, yeah, correct.
You can do it.
Yeah.
He's fine. He's fine. He's fine. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's only.
The idea when you drop down, you have to keep bouncing.
You must keep bouncing.
Because what you did is like a big gym for your leg, right? So this is you. You go up and then you stop one time. It's like working all your muscles.
Yeah. So you must keep jumping.
Yeah, again and again. He doesn't want to do it. It's scary.
Korang hopeless lah. You spoil the trampoline.
Yes! We landed. The Turkish suite. This is the toilet. We have all the Pringles here, the glass, the living room, and a nice view outside over here with all nice buildings over here. You can see near park over there. We have like 2 living rooms. Let me show you the other one. Yeah, and yeah, he installed the PS4 again
Yep.
in Turkey.
Yeah.
Another view over here, another snack bar, and we have 2 doors, and yeah, pretty nice. Bye bye. Yeah.
Sen de şaşır şu anda. Tamam.
보여주죠. Kidding? Hello. So this is Aidit in his Turkish home, and this is
Marines.
me in my Turkish variant.
And we are here going to the Hagia Sophia, one of the best mosques, the biggest domes over here. And yeah, we have to go through this park as the taxi driver said, and yeah, we're gonna go there. See you guys in a bit.
Okay, understand. Abang, I think you're going to go ahead.
Guarda che saluta da mettere proprio una calza fa cosa. Cioè, ma ti rendi conto? La sfiga che ho io.
Other business.
Came here roughly 13th century, and there was a very chaotic area here, and they were ruled these lands until because countries always choose young people as a strong soldier to fight. Anyway, the world war happened because in the results of Age of Explore, the countries, Britain, Germans, need more resources for their developments. They could improve their industries. The pine seems very good. Yeah. That's why it's saying
Golf balls, yes.
Did you see over there? Wood.
There's one fact.
What?
It's easier for them to dig the trench here because it's muddy and the ground are wet. But you try at Pulau Tekong, till death, you try to get that height.
And there was always fire.
I see.
Because of the bombardments coming from.
Cake.
History. For memory.
Rain brings a lot of sorrow. Rain. This trench upon plywood because it becomes a castle.
Yeah.